Magandang araw sa ating lahat at muli ay welcome po sa ating pag-aaral ngayon. Pero bago po tayo mag-aaral, sana po ay suportahan niyo po ang aking channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Now let's proceed to our topic. Our topic is how to compute volume of a solid figure. Pero before tayo mag-compute, magkakaroon po muna tayo ng a short review about surface area. Ito, surface area, the sum of the areas of the base or the bases and the lateral faces of a solid figure. So, ang surface area is the sum of all the area of all faces of a solid figure. While volume is the amount of space inside the solid figure. It is measured in cubic units. So, yun pong amount inside of a solid figure, yun po yung tinatawag na volume. And the unit is cubic unit. So, example, so surface area, may solid figure, cube, and the volume, solid figure na cube. So, sa surface area, yung 6 na face, yung ano yung area sa 6 na face, yun po yung surface area. Pero sa volume, yung inside the cube, yun po yung tinatawag na volume. So, how to compute the volume? So, number 1, we'll compute the volume of rectangular prism. So, example, so the length is 6 cm, the width is 2 cm, and the height is 3 cm. So formula, we have volume equals length times width times height. Then given, the length is 6 cm, the width is 2 cm, and the height is 3 cm, and the volume is question mark. Then solution, copy the formula, volume equals length times width times height. Then equals, the length is 6 times the width na 2, then times the height na 3. Then equals 6 times 2 times 3 is 36. Then copy the unit, cm, then write cube. So, the volume of a rectangular prism whose length is 6 cm, the width is 2 cm, the height is 3 cm is 36 centimeter cube. So, ganoon po ang pagkuha ng volume of a rectangular prism. So, number 2, volume of pyramid. So, example, the length of the base is 12 cm, and the width of the base is 6 cm, and the height of the pyramid is 10 cm. The formula, we have volume equals length times width times height divided by 3. So, given the length is 12 cm, the width is 6 cm, the height is 10 cm, then volume, question mark. Then solution, copy the formula, volume equals length times width times height divided by 3. And equals, the length is 12 times the width na 6, then times the height na 10. Then divide 3. Equals 12 times 6 times 10 is 720. Then divide 3. So equals 720 divided by 3 is 240. Then copy the unit na cm or the centimeter, then write the cube. So the volume of the pyramid is 240 centimeter cube. So ganun po ang pagkuha ng volume of a pyramid. So next, we have volume of cylinder. Example, the radius of a cylinder is 6 cm and the height of a cylinder is 12 cm. So the formula, we have volume equals pi times r squared times height, or volume equals pi r squared height. The value of pi is 3.14. So given the radius is 6 cm, the height is 12 cm, and the volume is question mark. Then solution, we'll copy first the formula. B equals pi r squared times height. Then equals the pi, the value of pi is 3.14 times 6 squared, then times 12 na height. Then equals, copy the 3.14, then 6 squared means 6 times 6, so equals 36. Then copy the 12. Then equals, copy 3.14, then 36 times 12 equals 432. Then equals 314 times 432 is 1,356.48. Then copy the unit centimeter, then write the cube. So the volume of a cylinder is 1,356.48 centimeter cube. So ganun po ang pagkuha ng volume of a cylinder. Sana ay inyong naintindihan. So proceed. Number 4, volume of a triangular prism. So example, the base of the triangular prism is 9 cm and 5 cm, and the height is 6 cm. The formula, we have volume equals length times width times height divided by 2. So the given, we have the length is 9 cm, the width is 5 cm, and the height is 6 cm, and the volume is question mark. Solution, copy first the formula. We have B equals length times width times height divided by 2. Then equals, the length is 9 cm times the width na 5, then times the height na 6, then divided by 2. Then equals 9 times 5 times 6 is 270 divided by 2. Then equals 270 divided by 2 is 135. Then copy the unit na cm, then write cube. So the volume of the triangular prism is 135 centimeter cube. So next, volume of a sphere. So example, the diameter of the sphere is 10 cm. The formula is volume equals 4 over 3 times pi r cube. Then given the radius is 5 cm, the diameter is 10 cm, so divided by 2, so the radius is 5 cm. Radius is 1/2 of the diameter, so our radius is 5 cm. Then volume is question mark. So solution, copy the formula. B equals 4 over 3 times pi r cube. So equals copy 4 over 3 times the value of pi na 3.14 then times radius na 5 cube. Then equals copy 4 over 3 copy 3.14 then 5 cube means 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Then equals copy 4 over 3 3.14 times 125 is 392.5. Then equals 4 times 392.5 is 1,570 over 3. Then equals 1,570 divided by 3 is 523.33. Then copy the unit cm, then write the cube. So the volume of the sphere whose diameter is 10 cm is 523.33 centimeter cube. Next is volume of a cube. So example, the side of the cube is 6 cm. In formula, we have volume equals S cube. S means side. Then given the side is 6 cm, then the volume is question mark. Solution, so copy muna the formula. B equals S cube. So equals S is 6, then copy cube equals, so 6 cube meaning 6 times 6 times 6. Then equals 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. Then copy centimeter, then write cube. So the volume of the cube whose side is 6 cm is 216 centimeter cube. So ganun po ang pagkuha ng volume of a cube. So next, we have volume of a cone. Example, so the diameter of a cone is 6 cm and the height is 9 cm. In formula, we have B equals pi r squared height, or B equals pi times r squared times height. Given, we have the radius is 3 cm because the diameter is 6 cm and the radius is 1/2 of the diameter. So we have radius 3 cm and the height is 9 cm. Then the volume is question mark. Solution, copy first the formula. We have B equals pi times r squared times height, and equals, the value of the pi is 3.14 times the radius na 3, then squared times the height na 9. Then equals, copy 3.14. 3 squared means 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Then copy 9. Then equals, copy 3.14. 9 times 9 is 81. Then equals 3.14 times 81 is 254.34. Then copy the unit cm, then write the cube. So the volume of the cone whose diameter is 6 cm and the height is 9 cm is 254.34 cm cube. Sana po ay inyong naintindihan. Sa ngayon, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan sa topic na ito, paki-comment na lang po sa comment section at tiyak ni ating pag-aaralan. And if you like this video, please like and share. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, sana po ay mag-subscribe ka. Paki-hit na rin po yung notification bell para maging updated sa iyo kung meron akong mga bagong upload. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood at pakikinig. God bless and to God be the glory.